Hi, babies. Went in the air conditioner. You stay there, Howard. Oh, it's not cleaned up from the big storm yesterday. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on down. There you go. Okay, kiddos. Get some hot dogs. Start our day. Set this here. Like I said, it's a bit of a mess because I didn't clean up after the storm. Okay. That didn't work. You come over here. Come on. You go, babies. 2 snowy egrets and 1 great white egret over there and 1 great white egret over here because this one picks on that one. So I have to feed them separately. Babies can see. Way down there. Come on. Turn around. Here you go. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on. So I didn't get paid. I got paid $3.40 yesterday. So there's 5 secret shops for $7 each at the liquor stores. I have not gotten paid for. It's from Observa. And then the proxy pics that I took of the duplex, they think I didn't take the photos right. Probably because they've never seen a stupid design like that. So, I didn't get paid for that. So I drove 58 miles yesterday and I got paid $3.40. I'm not happy. I just feel like I'm getting screwed over every second of every day. It's been going on, I think, for 3 weeks now. I'm trying my best to keep my good spirits. But it's getting hard, guys. So this is Thursday, September, I don't know, 5th, maybe. I'm going to go in the house. I'm going to hop in the car. I'm going to drive 30 miles to go redo the proxy pics and get my oil change. Chat soon. I might go live for that. Have a great day.